Hello everyone, my name is Bujan Huda and I am a computer science teacher and software engineer. I currently teach computer science at Hasiba bin Bali University Shlif within the Department of Computer Science and Exact Sciences. I have extensive teaching experiences at various levels, including university, high school, and middle school. My lessons are engaging, practical, and tailored to help you truly understand and enjoy coding. With me, you can learn a wide range of topics, including programming languages such as C, Java, Java Swing. As you can see here, I have developed with my dear students a software using Java Swing, and this was the result of the course. Software design and development using Java, Swing, and Python, web development, and many other exciting areas of computer science. Join my online courses and start learning in a fun, supportive, and flexible environment exactly the way you want. Let's make coding simple, creative, and powerful together.